If your key fob battery is getting a bit low, if you've gotten a message inside your vehicle saying incorrect key ID, or maybe you're just having a hard time getting the vehicle to unlock or to start, you likely have one of these two key fobs. The battery that's inside is more than likely going to be a CR2032 button battery, just like this. I'm going to give you a quick show on how to go through and change it. If it's this style battery, pop the key out the back just by moving the switch over and removing the key. Grab a flathead screwdriver or something like that. There's two little recessed areas there that you can just give a twist. Either one will start to open it up for you. And then from there, just work your way down. It will open up. And then you just pop it open. Inside is the key. The battery. Pop that out. Put your new battery back in place. Make sure everything is fully lined up. And clip it all back together. So that's quick and easy for that style. The other style is same thing. Just remove the key. And then again, same thing. Just give a little twist. You'll get some room on the side when you do so. And just make sure to work your key down. This will pop open. Just make sure that you're careful with it. Battery is inside, so again, same thing. Pop your battery out, place the new one back in place, and again, carefully line everything back up and clip it all back together. Once you're done, pop your key back into place and you're good to go. No extra programming or anything else that needs to be done.